Hi there everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to add border to a video in Capcut. So let's get started. So as you can see, we are on a Capcut project right now, so we need to add a border inside the video. So how we can do that is very simple. First of all, you need to select the overlay option on the bottom side. So here is the overlay option, so tap on the overlay and then again tap on the add overlay option, so tap on that again, and then from here you need to select the library option on the above. So let's just search for it. So we will search a white inside the video, so white background, here you go. So we will select that white background, and as you can see, here is one of the white image, so we will select that and then tap on the add button. All right, so tap on the add button, and as you can see, we got the image like this. All right, then we need to adjust with the frame like this. We need to select the photo and then select the option mask. So scroll it down until you find the mask. All right, here is the mask option on the bottom, so I will select the mask, and then from here you need to select the rectangular mask. So here is the rectangular mask, select it, and then again you need to tap on the invert option right over here. So tap on the invert, and as you can see, we got a border inside the video. So now you need to adjust the border. All right, here you go. So that's how you can add a border inside the Capcut in video. So hope this video might help you out. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if it works for you or not, and I will get you guys in the pretty next one. Have a great day.